Now just refresh. Now check the status. It was locked by CPN. Just put your cursor on the lock symbol About to Copy button. About to Copy button. You have a status. Yeah. See, object is locked by Password Manager. Password Manager is nothing but ACPN user, so it is performing some action on this particular account again. Refresh. Yeah, now it got completed. So on the below you can see last modified Password Manager 88. And if you click on Activities tab you can see that action. First link, click on the CPN. Change password success user Password Manager. Now click on Show button. You can see a different password. Oh, you have to specify reason here. Okay. So this is about the CPN change possible. Okay. Now the third one is a reconsider. So what did the reconsider means? In case, if your password is out of sync between your target server and in the world for that particular account, then we can reconcile. The password means we can sync the password in both ends using one more account called reconcile account. Okay, so at a domain level, we will ask our Windows editing to create one reconcile account for our Cyberark purpose. And we need to associate that reconcile account to all the Windows servers in case, if it is a Windows, okay, so we can associate reconcile account at two levels. One is at platform level and other one is at account level. So I will tell you how to associate at platform level. Let in later classes, whenever I will go to that platform concept. Now we will create one more account in the add and will associate that flat account level and again will trigger a reconsider. Yeah, go to a day and create one account called Recon. Just give a name like Recon. So when we will go for reconcile means or when we can't perform password change means change button in case if your password is out of sync then you can't perform a password change. So in background, what happens when you trigger a password change means CPN user will feature the password of the current account and it will try to log into the target server using some WMA commands. Okay, once it is able to log into the target server, then it will update a password in the target and it is successful at the target and then only it will update the same password on the wall for that particular account. So in case, if the password is out of sync, then CPN user is not able to log into the target server. In that scenario, we need to trigger a reconsider. So for doing reconciliation we require one more account, that is, reconciling. So if you trigger reconcile in background, CPN user will use the password of the reconciling account and it will log into the target server. And one more case here. So this reconciling account should be part of administrator group in all the servers. Otherwise, this reconciling account is not able to log into the target server. So before implementing Cyberark only, we will ask the Windows team to add this reconciling account to administrator group via group policy. They have some groups right at ID level. Which group is having access to all the servers in that group? This reconciliation account is also be part. Then only we can able to trigger the reconsider. So we need to give our business requirement to the AD team and Windows team for creating a reconciling account and adding this reconciliation account to administrator group for all the servers. Okay. So what is the purpose of reconciliation account? What exactly when we have to request to the admin team? That's what I told you. Right. So, in case if your password is out of sync between the target and vault server, you need to reconcile that password right. So doing the reconciliation, we required one more account, that is a reconciling account. So in what scenarios your password will be out of sync? So for example, in your group policy password validity is 60 days. Okay. And in your Cyberark also you have configured a policy like every 50 days or 45 days you need to CPM need to rotate the password of all the accounts, but due to some network issue, CPM is not able to rotate the password for some 10 servers. Okay, after 60 days those 10 servers' passwords will be expired. Then if you click on change button, and if you fix that network issue, and if you click on change button also, change will not happen because the password is out of sync and you will get error message called username or password is incorrect. So only change will happen if the password is in sync between vault and the target server. Then only it will create a new password and it will update the new password in the target and first and then it will update the same password in the vault. In case the password is out of sync, then if you trigger change also it will give error message like username or password is incorrect. In that scenario, we will trigger reconciliation. So for performing reconciliation we require one more account called reconcile account. Okay. So reconciliation account is also a privileged account. So what we will do, we will ask AD team to create that reconciliation account in AD and we need to onboard that account into Cyberark. That reconciliation account password also will change at regular intervals. Then there is no compliance issue because we are rotating the passwords of that all privileged accounts at regular intervals. So all are compliant. That's it. Perfect. Thank you. Now create a recon account here. Same logon name. I check one password. Just uncheck. The user cannot change password because if you trigger change from Cyberark, so same user will log into that target. And it will mean same password through same password. It will log in. In case, if you put user cannot change password, then it will not able to change his own password. Okay, so even this account will be managed through CPM for your password rotation. Next, and password never expires is okay.